Hi singers, today I will teach you how to have a beautiful voice singing with a microphone. My name is Ícaro and here on this channel we will learn how to sing straight to the point. Let's talk about the microphone. First of all, I need to explain to you how the microphone works. This is a microphone, as you can see. This part at the top is called globe. Inside of the globe we have the capsule. We will see the capsule very soon. This part is the body of microphone. Here is where you need to hold your microphone, okay? Never hold like this. Holding like this can destroy your sound. Never do that, okay? This is the body and here is the connection of your microphone. This is an XLR connection. Left, right and X. Okay? The ground connection is called X. Now, let's see inside the globe. Let's see the capsule. This microphone is a dynamic microphone. That means this microphone can receive a lot of pressure, a lot of sound pressure on his capsule, okay? This is the capsule, nothing surprisingly, but this is the capsule. Here is where the sound is captured when you sing. This type of microphone can capture your voice in a shape of a heart, like this. And this. Okay, this is a cardioid microphone. Because of that, you need to sing with this area, with this capsule, pointing to your mouth. Okay, to have a better sound, to have a rich full sound of your voice. Let's put again the globe. Now I want to show you this foam. You probably saw this foam in some places and how it works. This foam protects your capsule from the air and plosives that your voice can produce, your S's, your P and B, and this foam works exists for this. In some equipments, we can remove this kind of plosive sounds by adjusting some parameters. It's not the goal of this video. One question that most of the people have about microphones is that there is a microphone for female voices and for male voices, for high-pitched voices and lower voices. No. The microphone is the same for all types of voices. You need to pick a microphone that attains to your needs, like the quality of the construction, if you will use this microphone like in church or on the stage, and if this mic needs to support punch and some falls. So there's no mic for different types of voices. The sound of your mic can be adjusted on equalizer in your soundboard, in your computer, in your DAW, in your app used to record your voice. I don't know. But you can adjust your microphone to attain the needs of your voice. I have a tip for you. Never buy the most expensive microphone if you don't have good equipment. The sound is leveled by the weakest equipment on your chain. So, if you have the most expensive, the better microphone in the world, and you have a weak cable and speakers with low quality, you just spent for nothing. So, try to balance your investment, okay? Let's talk about the distance and the inclination that you need to use the microphone. The basic distance is 4 fingers, like this. This is the maximum, okay? You can moving closer the microphone and further away, but never pass of these 4 fingers. It's better to sing with it closer to your mouth than far away. You will sound better, you will sound with a full and rich voice, with all harmonics of your voice being captured by the microphone, okay? Remember, the capsule is here, so you need to point it to your mouth, like this, okay? Like this. Never hold your microphone like this. Now I will explain to you how to work the equalizing, how the bands of equalizer works. We have basically 3 bands: bass, medium, and high. Some people think that when we increase the bass, our voice will sound like this. Hey, hello, this is the bass of my voice. No, it's wrong. And when we increase the high part of our voice, the sound will sound like this. It is wrong. I will show you how it works. Now you will hear my voice with the bass increased. Hey, my name is Ícaro, and don't forget to subscribe on the channel. Now I will decrease the bass and the high notes and increase the medium. Hey, this is my voice. Like a speaker, a hand speaker. Hey, this is my voice. This is the medium of my voice. Now I will decrease the medium and increase the high. Can you see? Can you hear the difference? My voice is more clarity, more sibilances. These sounds. Let's go to the balanced sound. You need to balance your sound to remove what isn't working okay, isn't sound okay, and increase what is sounding okay. The sound technician have this job. You don't need to worry about that. Did you like this video? Don't forget to comment and subscribe on this channel. And here on the description, I will put links for some microphones that I recommend to you, okay? I see you in the next video.